Daddy. Morning. Just heating up your bottle. Tiny bitches. Hi, Mama. Oh, she's been bathing well this morning, huh? That is excellent news. Excellent news. Oh. Let's see. I'm going to see if Mr. Squawking will take a bottle this morning. Oh, look at the bathing. 160 here. Here, you can have him back. Continue with the bathing. Oh, so much cuteness. Try this butt. Yeah, can you do this butt? Hey, will you do this butt? He's got some poop. She's like, no, thank you. All right, buddy. 160. All right, I'm gonna see if he will take a bottle. Because he clearly did not have a thing overnight. I'll give you, buddy. I know, bud. Oh, that's quite a squawk. We're at the A. There you go. Oops. It looks like she's nursing, but I'm always getting a little bit. We'll see. I just get excited and then I check how much he's actually had, and not usually as much as I think it is. Here you go, bud. Let's see. Oh, you got some. Oh, good boy. Oh, I'm proud of you. Ready? Let's do it again. Okay, bud. Here you go. His eyes look like they're getting close. What are you squeaking for? Hmm? So, let's see. I would call that maybe 4 milliliters. That's good. Let's do one more. Give me one more, buddy. So that's good. I won't have to tube him this morning. I just mommy need to. She's like, excuse me. Did you just put a butt in my face? Go see your mommy for a sec. I'm gonna leave you. Hey, buddy, come here. 162. Come on, we're gonna do a little more. That's a boy. Oh, it's squawking. That's a boy. No, it's right here. You just have to do it right. Now he's all bitey. Why are you squawking, huh? Why are you squawking, buddy? Oh, a little paw. Yeah, I guess the paw's going, bud. That was just mostly for show, wasn't it? Was that just for show? Let's try one more time. break. Noisy. Oh. That's Stacy too. Let's see what my kittens like. Oh yeah. Alright, so I've got a 9 o'clock meeting. And then I can I'll mostly be home after that, which is good. Oh, do you have some? Oh, you have a poo stuck in there. Someone's poo is on your leg. There we go. Oh, buddy, did you tip over? And let's look at some bums. Here's your bum, buddy. I had a little bit of a butt issue last night. It's better today though. Hey, buddy. Did you have a little bit of a bum issue? Looked like a little abscess. I cleaned it and put some stuff on it. And it looks pretty good, but could use a mama cleaning, I think. He handles the pee usually. See, I got him going with the pee and now I've tricked her into taking a bath. Don't distract her. Don't distract mommy. She's handling a butt right now. It's a butt situation. Where are you going? Where are you going? Here. You little squawky pants. Go over here. You go here. She's like, no. You can't trick me. You can't trick me into doing a bath. Oh. Where you going, buddy? Oh. Oh, it's so dark out this morning. Hi, little munchie. How are you this morning? 1:44. That's good. Oh, I think I will have to weigh everybody else when I get back from my meeting. Hey, Mr. Holly. You're so cute. How's your butt? Your butt looks good. Oh, look! Doggy has eyeballs. Look at the eyeballs. Alright, nest light is going off. Alright, we'll do an eyeball check. Oh, when I get back. sorry to make you all yawn. Alright, everybody, let's stop with the. Okay. I'm gonna become a coffee drinker through all of this. Oh, alright. Here we go. Oh, not very good view.